On October 31st, 2025, officers were dispatched at the airport terminal after receiving reports of a stolen laptop.
Come on, grab your bag. Grab your bag. Are you with her?
Yeah.
You? That's you, right? I need your backpack and you need to come with me.
Oh, there. Get my bag.
Your backpack. That's you, correct?
The bathroom.
Yeah, the bathroom.
Yeah, pero me, nothing.
Nothing what?
No, the bathroom.
Yeah. You took a laptop out of the bathroom.
No people. No
Okay.
Apple. No Apple.
You put the laptop in your bag?
Sí, yo lo que pasó está en el baño. Yo salí para sí, déjame explicar. Está bien. Sí, pero yo la vi en el baño. Y salí así. No people, no nada. Otro. Pero no es. Sí, pero the bathroom.
He said he got out the bathroom. He walked out with it, and nobody contested.
Turn around.
Huh?
Turn around.
Tiempo y no me la cogí. O sea, yo no la tomé del titular. Estaba en el bathroom.
Have the victim identify his property. How to identify.
Can't get on. Can't get on in front of you.
Estaba en el bathroom. No vi personas, no vi people.
So is that the only
No vi.
Because nobody's there doesn't mean you can just take it. It's not free purchase.
No people, no nothing, you know.
Mira, había otra cosa.
No, nada más eso.
Sola eso.
Sí.
Yeah, that's it.
¿Él habla español? Sí, pero que vino the computer and bathroom. I don't know, there's no people.
Yeah, for 40. I'm gonna have 215. Dalton is with me. Where are we gonna go? Straight.
Yeah, let's get this guy ID.
Is this your victim here? Since I got this out of his pants, I know it's the rest of the video. You haven't been able to put in his password.
Do you have ID on you?
Yes, I do. Thank you so very much for this. I really appreciate all the effort.
Someone get a property receipt quick because he's catching a flight, right?
Nah, his flight was
My
canceled.
flight got cancelled.
Okay. All right, cool. So we got him for a statement, then we're good.
You want to prosecute him for stealing it?
I'll go with whatever you guys recommend.
That's not how that works. Do you want him to go to jail for stealing it? That's we don't make recommendations. He stole your property,
Right.
and it's not his. And he stole it.
Right.
So,
And I want him to be
right.
penalized.
Okay. No problem.
For it.
Okay.
I had to check in my backpack because they said this was going to be an extra item, and that's why I'm carrying my laptop by myself. And I just can't believe it. I would have been one of those people that lose their laptops, but thank you.
Virginia Beach. $1,000. 900 something. You said it's not?
It says not?
Oh, I don't know. I thought that's what you said.
No, 1,000 and over is felony.
Okay.
It shows you walking out. So, yeah, we used to be smarter than that. Now there's cameras. Something's not yours, something's his. My mother always taught me if something's not mine, I don't touch it. How about that? That's the best idea.
The guy was using the bathroom right beside you.
No, the doctor, no people.
I know, yeah, but there's cameras. You came over to the policeman and said, hey, here's I found this.
The lure, my phone, sleeping phone.
Yeah, I mean, it's a good story, though. That's good. Right, yeah, you're not going to see it because it would be going to the jail. So, you made that decision, though. There might even be a charge for. Go through the charge there, because I think there's a charge for stealing from a felony, committing a felony and a critical infrastructure.
Okay.
But you take it, we don't help you. This is the suspect's bag?
Yes.
Take that. We'll do the prisoner property on that.
So we're going over to Daniel?
Yep.
All right.
Are you guys? Still inside both of you, because I don't have any last term. I'll get signed.
I'm going to see him in a while. He said it was 803. 803? Yeah, 803 Northwest 1st Street.
Side, go out to Griffin, make a left, go to Federal. Go down Federal, make a right, and it's right down the left-hand side.
I'm going to follow behind you. Start typing my stuff.
Okay. And just wait until the detective shows up.
Yep.
Just wait in the car.
Yeah, you can, or they could ask someone on danger if they could open up the danger station for you and bring them in and put them in a cell.
Okay.
So, 3.11, 3.11.
Takeoff, so you can bring it back. That's, you got to decide? Help what? I don't understand what you're saying. It's going to be a...
You need a key?
I don't know what this is.
You need a key?
I think he said you can't get in.
So just go knock on the door or whatever, and then or advise when you're there.
Okay.
That's all we
What are you
got?
saying? I don't understand. What? What's...
I think he said you can't get in.
You can't get inside?
Put your butt in first.
You got to put your button... Hold on. Step up. Put your culo in first. Culo. What? Culo.
Oh, this same thing. This is 43. Gotta have something else. If he's a permanent resident, he's got to have a house.
Illegal.
Right.
Peggy will find it out. Bill speaks Spanish. So.
Okay.
The Dominican ID.
Nah, this is this is. I'll use this stuff.
He was charged with grand theft. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.